सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे इस YouTube चैनल को और दबाइए इस बेल नोटिफिकेशन को ताकि आपको हमारी लेटेस्ट वीडियो की अपडेट्स मिलती रहें।
Hello everyone, I am Nishant Luthra and a very happy National Mathematics Day which is celebrated on the birthday of Srinivasan Ramanujan, who was a very great Indian mathematician and done many inventions in his field of mathematics. And from those inventions I have taken one of them to demonstrate you, that is the concept of magic square, which is a 4x4 square. Let me write here. Okay, 4x4 square. Okay, so I will tell you what is it and how it will be made from your date of birth also. So let's get into the video. So friends, as you can see here on the board, I have drawn a 4x4 square on which I have written some numbers, okay, which is nothing but the date of birth of Srinivasan Ramanujan sir, great mathematician, Indian mathematician, okay. So date of birth was 22/12/1887. Now I have written the date, that is 22 on the first side, then 12, that is the month here, then 18, that is the century here, and 87, that was the year here. Now this all part has been made by doing addition and subtractions, okay, which I am showing you to your screen. You can see that, okay. So now you have seen that how these are made. These are made by adding and subtracting the digits, okay. So by these trick the whole table is prepared. And now the speciality of this table or square, magic square, is that when you add the rows like this row, that is 139 will come, this row 139, this row again 139, and the last row 139. The sum will come 139. If you will do this procedure from the column side, then also you will get the same result, that is 139. You can see that if you add this column, you will get 139. Same here, okay. Next is if you add the diagonals like this. Let me make a mark here. Then also you will get 139. Okay. From here and here also 139, same. 139. Now another thing, if you add this and this, these boxes, then also you will get 139. And if you will add these two, okay. So I am showing you a picture on your screen which will clarify you that what are the different types of arrangement in which you are getting the same sum of number, that is 139. So friends, now as you can see, I have taken a random date of birth, that is 18/8/1965, and I have taken out the whole magic square of this, okay. Now let me explain you the whole procedure, that how can you make this table. This thing is your date, okay. This thing will be your month, and starting 2 digit will be your century, and this will be your year. Now I have denoted date by DD, okay, month by MM, the century, that is 19th century here, by YY, small yy, exactly small yy, and the year codes by capital Y, okay. Now for making this table, first of all you have to write this in sequence, like your date, then your month, then your century code, and then your year code. Now proceeding to another columns and rows. In the second row, for making the second row, you have to, you can see I have written something here. So let me explain it. I have written here capital YY plus 1. That means whatever will be your year code, you have to add 1 in that. In this case, I have 65, so I add 1 in that. So I have got 66. Understand? Next is you have to minus 1 from small yy. Small y I have told you the century code. That is 19 here. So when you subtract 19 from 1, you will get 18. Next will be your month. In this box, you have to fill your month and minus the month by 3. So here is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay. Next is date, dd plus 3. That will be your date. In the date, you have to add plus 3. So here is 18. So I have added 18 plus 3 is 21. In the third row, you have to month. This is mm. Mm means month. In this first box, you have to fill your month by subtracting it from 2. Subtract the digit by 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. So I have filled as 6. Next is the date by plus 2. 18 plus 2 is 20. Next is capital Y, that is your year code, 65 plus 2. You have to do plus 2, that is 67. Next is century code minus 2. Small y minus 2. So 19 minus 2 will be 17. In the last row, you have to add 1 in the century code and subtract 1 from the year code. That is I have done here. YY plus 1 small yy. So 19 plus 1 is 20 and 65 minus 1 is 64. Then add 1 in your date, that is 18 plus 1 is 19 and minus 1 by the month, that is 8 minus 1 is 7. Now I hope you will understand that what I have done here to make this. Now if you add these columns like this, columns and rows, I have done column here, column 1 1 10 1 1 10 and 1 1 10. You will get 1 1 10. Same here, 1 1 10 1 1 10 1 1 10 and 1 1 10. Okay, so rows, all the rows and all the columns. And now if you add it diagonally, then also you will get the same answer, that is 1 1 10. And rest I have shown you the picture at the end of the video, in which you will understand it more clearly about this, how to add this and how to subtract this. And I have made this video putting my best efforts in it. And if you like the video, then please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.
Yeah.